Morning student, this video for class 12 students. Uh, Today I want to discuss the topic maxima and minima of a given function. In this topic we have to first learn what are the steps required for solving such type of problems. Basically this question they are asking in board examination for 6 marks, and it is a sure short question in choice, but in choice also they are giving the same type of question, means maximum minima question A part. In choice B part they are asking the same maximum minima question, means this is compulsory for you to learn. So what are the necessary steps to solve this question? Basically they are asking a application based on mensuration, application based on number system, and maybe another type. The first step is to form a function in one variable. Means if they are asking maximize any function, first you have to form that function, and in that function the variable should be only one. Means it should not contain more than one variable. If x and y both are there, it is not a suitable function. Means you have to form a function fx. Say fx. So I've written here form a function in one variable, say fx. In the second step, if you have already find fx in one variable, then differentiate it and make it equal 0. After equating 0, you will get the value of x. Suppose that value of x is a. Suppose after first you differentiate and then equal to 0, you are getting the value of x is a. Suppose now again you have to differentiate one more time. It is called f double dash x, means you are differentiating one more time to this function which you have already differentiated. Original function is fx. You have differentiated first time, now second time you have differentiated, and if you are substituting the value of x is a over here, and if you are getting f double dash a, and that f double dash a, if it is less than 0, means negative value if it is giving, then you can say the function is maximum. Otherwise, if it is more than 0, means the positive value if it is giving, then the function will have a minimum value. Means the function is minimum at x is equal to a if it is giving f double dash a is greater than 0. So we have to apply these three steps in each and every question. But the very first step, this is very important step, because if you are not able to form a function in one variable, then to whom you will differentiate first time and second time, and to whom you are going to go to check it. So your 100% effort should be in the first step. First step is very important, and it is little bit tricky also for the application problems. So first of all, I will explain this concept for you through one of the question. Look at that question. Now look at this question. In this question, find two positive numbers. You have to find two positive numbers whose sum when the sum is 20. Means two positive numbers you have to find, their sum is 20, it is already given, and whose product is as large as possible. Means you have to maximize the product of these numbers. Okay, so when you are going to start this question, first of all you should write what is given. In this question it is given that first plus second number, it is given 20, and he is asking find find first number and second number both, and the condition is given condition is the product of these two numbers should be maximum. So students, look at here the complete picture I have written here. In this question, the first thing is given that the sum of two number is 20. You have to find both the numbers, and the given condition is the product should be maximum. Means you have to find such type of such numbers whose product is maximum, and the sum of them is giving 20, means their sum is 20. So I should use one of the variable over here. So first of all I should write here, let the first number is x. So therefore x plus second number is equal to 20, and it is giving the value of second number. Second number is 20 minus x. Now I want to write the product function. Product function is first value into second value. First value you have assume it is x, multiply by second variable. Second is 20 minus x. So it will give the result 20x minus x square. So this is the function to whom we are going to differentiate it. Means I have formed the first step. What was the first step? First step is to form a function. Which function? To whom you want to maximize. So I made this product function. This is product function, which comes the product of first and second. First is x, second is 20 minus x. So it has come in terms of one variable. Now what is the second step? The second step is to differentiate this function. If I will differentiate it, it will give the value p dash x. So p dash x is 20 minus 2x, and I should equate to 0. So this will give the value x is equal to 10, isn't it? It will give x is equal to 10. Now I should differentiate one more time. It will give 0 minus 2. Now if here I am substituting this value of x is 10, again the answer is coming 2 only. Means for the value of x is equal to 10, my answer will come negative only, because no x term, nothing is available regarding the x part over here. So p double dash 10 is giving the value negative. Negative value means p double dash 10 is less than 0, means maximize. So we have maximize the product function. So for x is equal to 10, the product is maximum. So you can say, therefore you can say here, your first number, what is your first number? Your first number is 10, and your second number is 20 minus 10, that is also 10. So 10 and 10 are the two numbers whose sum is 20 and whose product is maximum. So this is the right way to implement this question, this concept through this particular question. Look at this question once more, so you can get the idea. First I have written given part, first plus second 20. We have to find both the numbers, and condition is the product of two numbers should be maximum. So what I did, first of all I have written, let the first number is x, x plus second, that is second number is 20 minus x. Now first number is x, second number is 20 minus x. Now the product is product function px I have written. So first into second, x into 20 minus x. So it is giving 20x minus x square. This is the called first step. Now in second step I differentiated it, p dash x, I got 20 minus 2x. Through this I got x is equal to 10, and one more I have differentiated here, and I am getting minus 2. If in double differentiation, if I am putting x is 10, so there is no effect of x over here, because x is not available. So it will give negative value only. Negative value means the product is maximum, means product is maximum for x is equal to 10. So second number is 20 minus 10, it is also 10. So both the numbers are 10 and 10. So student, take the hint from this question and try to solve these homework questions. Question number 1, first, second, third and fourth part. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 from this exercise 12C. This is the application of maxima and minima, application of derivatives over here. So use this concept and try to get the solutions through this example. Thank you very much.